Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that people have a misconception about failure. So in my experience, a lot of people think of failure as a static position. For example, they did not hit their goal one year, and they think that year is a failure. However, nowadays I'm a little bit more experienced, and I've done a lot more things in my life. It's more that I believe that failure is just an opportunity for you to keep an inventory of what mistakes not to make in the future. Okay, very, very, very important. So there are a couple ways you can do this. One, you can do it by watching other people's failures, and you can cause you to move a lot faster. Another way that you can do this is by making your own mistakes, which is not advisable. But everybody has to make mistakes. I don't care who you are. Everybody's going to make a mistake, and you need to be able to learn from it and not let it stop you or get you down for way too long. Okay, extremely important. So, if you want to start moving forward in your life and your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. I can't wait to see you in there. Talk to you soon and see you later.